The Trend CraftPro router table. It's ideal for craftsmen and woodworking enthusiasts. It's packed with the necessary features to maximize the versatility of all popular routers. It's suitable for edge molding and grooving, stopped molding, curved routing, and edge planing. The table is quick and easy to assemble. Follow the step-by-step instruction manual to construct the rigid frame which supports a laminated MDF work surface. The feet are adjustable to cope with uneven surfaces. Foot brackets are included to attach the table to a workbench. The aluminium plate is drilled to suit Trend routers. Here the powerful and versatile Trend T11 router is being used. Additionally, the Trend T11 quick release accessory is available for faster fitting and removal. The aluminium insert plate has a precise magnetic leveling facility. The plate fixing screws then secure the plate to the work surface. The table aperture can be changed by selecting an insert ring to suit the cutter diameter. The no-volt release switch ensures the machine is safe in the event of a power failure. The back fence is easily assembled and quick to set up. It features fully adjustable sliding cheeks with a large 57mm diameter dust extraction spout. The powerful Trend T31 will extract the dust while cutting. An adjustable top guard applies pressure to the workpiece. Combined with a side pressure plate, it produces smooth, straight cuts safely and accurately. A push stick is included for safety. The adjustable guided mitre fence can be used to support the workpiece. The height adjustment access hole can be used with the Trend T11 router to adjust the height of the cutter. The back fence can be easily positioned for edge molding and grooving. Use the spacer rods to offset the back fence while edge planing. The offset can be set to 1.4 or 2.4 mm. The rods also store away when not in use. A lead-on pin provides stability when doing bearing guided work. It can be stored behind the back fence when not in use. The Trend CraftPro router table is perfect to expand the versatility of your router. Combined with a Trend router and Trend cutters, it's an essential addition to any craftsman's workshop. All products can be purchased from Trend routing centres and stockists around the UK or online. See the Trend website for details.